Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today on FXKLEX Forex Trading School. And my name is Alan, your financial analyst and Forex mentor. In this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through the process of installation of the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 on your personal computer. I have received a lot of requests from especially the beginners in the first market. They actually want me to release a video which can as well guide them through the process of installation of any of these trading software. So in this video, I give analysis about how you can download the software, install this software on your personal computer, and then you start or trading. So maybe you want to install the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. This video will walk you through, it's going to guide you through. And if you're looking out for this video which is going to guide you through the process of installation of the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 on your mobile device, maybe you use the Android, the iPhone, the iPad, I have a video on that as well. You can check at the bottom of this video. I have a link right there. Click on that link and then the link is going to automatically direct you to the source where you can watch the video on the same FXKLEX Forex Trading School YouTube channel. And before we dive into this video, remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel and then click on the notification bell so whenever I release educational content of this kind, you're gonna be notified. So let's dive into the video right now. So right now guys, I am on my PC screen and I have the Chrome running on my Windows. So whichever browsing software you want to use, you can as well download this software from the internet, provided you are connected to the internet and your browser is functioning properly. So what we're gonna do right now is to download this MetaTrader 4 and 5 so we can install it on our personal computer. There are two options whereby you can download this software from the internet. Number one is through typing the keyword download MetaTrader 4 or just simply MetaTrader 4 on the Google search engine, and I believe Google is going to automatically redirect you to the link to the place where to download this software. And the second option is visiting the official website of your preferred brokerage firm. So this is what I'm going to do in this video. So let's get started right now. So I'm going to open two tabs right here on my browser. The first home tab is gonna we're gonna type in the keyword on Google search engine so we can download that from the Google search engine. And then the second tab right here, I'm gonna input the link to my preferred brokerage firm website. So let's type the keyword on Google search engine, or let's just type download MetaTrader MT4 okay, MT4, and let's see what's really gonna happen. Okay, right here on the Google search engine, we can see the keyword right here, download MT4, and we can see all the various options given to us by Google search engine. It says download MetaTrader 4 trade platform too. So this is an ad from other brokerage firm. So we are not going into to download from these sources. So we're gonna look for the official website of the MetaTrader 4 website. Here it is. It says download MetaTrader 4 for PC, iPhone, iPad, and Android. And this is the website right here. It says www.metatrader4.com download. So we're gonna click on this link right here. MetaTrader 4. This is also the website. This is the website right here. So we're gonna click on any of this link right here. Make sure it is metatrader4.com. If you don't follow the official website, you're gonna end up downloading from other brokerage firm. Or well, if you download it from other brokerage firm, it's still gonna work. But if you don't want to download a brokerage MetaTrader from other brokerage firm which you don't trade with, so the best option is to at least download from the official website of MetaTrader MetaTrader website. So I'm gonna click on this link right now. So let's see where we're going to be redirected to. Okay, here it's the official website of MetaTrader, and there we can see right here it says download MetaTrader 4, the most popular forex trading platform. Download MetaTrader 5, next generation trading platform. So what we're going to do right here now is to download the MetaTrader 4 and their 5 on their official website of MetaTrader. So let's click right here and download the 5, and let's see maybe we can actually get the other option for okay, here is the option to download MetaTrader 4 on our PC as well. So let's download the two files right here on our personal computer. So I'm gonna click download, and here it is. You can see MetaTrader 4 setup exe. It's currently going through process of downloading, and I'm going to download the MetaTrader 4 as well. So I'm clicking So here it is right now. We are actually downloading MetaTrader 4 software at the same time also. So now that we have downloaded the MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 from the official website of MetaTrader, now let's see how we can also download from our preferred official brokerage firm website. So for this tutorial now, I'm gonna choose one of the brokerage firm I trade with. Actually, I trade with at least 4 brokerage companies due to a lot of reasons. Some are good for cryptocurrency. They offer that is from Monday to Sunday, that is 24/7 cryptocurrency. Why some are good for swing trading, why some they are good for doing high impact news. So these are the reasons whereby I choose to trade with a lot of different brokerage companies. So I don't like to put my eggs in one basket. So on the second tab, I'm gonna now navigate to that is the AltForex. Actually, I have an account with AltForex. I trade with it. So I'm gonna visit www.altforex.com. You can also visit any website, brokerage firm you wish to trade with. Maybe you have already registered an account with a brokerage firm. You can simply visit their website. I believe if you visit their website, you're gonna have a link right there. So also when you get right there, you're gonna have different options, the kind of software you can get. Maybe you are running a Windows, Mac, OS, Linux, whatever operating system you are running on, you're gonna have the option to download it. So let's visit the official website of my choosing brokerage firm, and that is www.altforex.com. So www.altforex.com. So let's see where we're gonna land onto. Okay, so here now it's on the official website of the altforex.com. This is the home page, and then it says AltForex, about product, accounts, platform, tools, education, promotions, partners, investment. Actually, what we are interested in is to download their platform, their trading platform. And what we're gonna do right now is to click on this folder right here, this platform, and we can see the options listed below. It says MetaTrader for platforms, MT4 for desktop, MT4 for web terminal, MT4 for Android, for iPhone, for iPad, for multi-terminal, and here are the listed options for MetaTrader 5 as well. So what we're gonna do right now is to download the MetaTrader 4 from the brokerage firm website, and I'm gonna download for desktop because I'm using a Windows computer right here. So I'm gonna download for desktop, and as well I'm gonna download the MetaTrader 5 also for desktop. So let's download these two softwares on our personal computer. So it's gonna be total of 4 applications we gonna download on our personal computer. I'm downloading this for our software so that we can just compare. Maybe it's the same process of installation. It does not, I do not mean you have to download all these 4 software before you can start trading. Actually, you need just one software. Let's see that you download the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. But due to my year of experience on the market, I don't really love the MetaTrader 4 due to its flexibility, easy access, very simple to use, and then I just love it, and it's one of the most trading software. I mean, the version being used by most professional traders in the world. So I love to stick with the MetaTrader 4. So it all depends on your interest, on your option, on what is suitable for you. What is good for me might not be good for you. So you have to decide, you have to test, go through the software and see the one which you think is gonna be the best for you. So I'm gonna download MetaTrader 4 and then 5 from my choosing official brokerage website as well. So let's download right now. So I'm gonna click right here, so we can see the file is currently going to process of downloading right now, and then this is it. On the next page says elevate your trading with AltForex MT4 platform, blah blah blah. We are not interested in this. We want to download this software. Okay, these the 3 options available on this brokerage firm. It says download for Windows, download for Mac, download for Linux. So if you are using the Windows, this is the option for you. You can download right here. And then if you are using for the Mac, that is, we are using the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, you can download this option right here. And if you are using the Linux operating system, you can download it right here. So I'm using the Windows operating system, so I'm gonna download for Windows right here. So download the MetaTrader 4 right now. So we're gonna go back to our brokerage official website so that we can download the MetaTrader 5 as well. Remember, we have 2 files we're gonna download with the 2 files we already downloaded on MetaTrader official website to make it for software, so we can compare all this software. Maybe there's any difference between all them. So I'm gonna navigate back now to the official website of my choosing brokerage firm, and there is it, platforms. I want to download the MetaTrader 5 also for my desktop, so we're gonna compare all this software. Maybe there is different from the software you download from your brokerage firm website, and maybe it's different from the one you download from the official website of the MetaTrader. So yeah, it's easy right now. download for Windows. Actually on MetaTrader 5 it's only available for Windows and Mac right here. There is no option for the Linux operating system. So if you are using the Linux operating system and you want to trade on this brokerage firm, no, that means you won't have access to download the MetaTrader 5 for your Linux. You only have the MetaTrader 4 to download for your Linux operating system. Here is it right here. You only have MetaTrader 5 for the Windows OS and the Mac. So I'm gonna download for Windows. I'm running a Windows device right here. So let's download. So right now, if you look at the bottom of my Windows, of my screen view right here, you're gonna see 4 files: MT5 setup, MT4 setup, HF market 4 setup, HF market global 5 setup. So right now I'm gonna install all this software on my personal computer. So let's get started through the process of installation right now. So I'm gonna click on this open. So I'm gonna click on this open. Yes, I'm gonna install. I'm gonna click on this next. I'm gonna click on the next one as well, open. Do not worry, I can install as much possible programs I want to install at the same time on my personal computer, because I am running a very high spec computer. So I can install as much possible program software I want to install at the same time. I do not mean you have to purchase very high spec computer before you can actually trade. It's just for my own purpose. Actually, I love how those gadgets that have very high spec configuration. That's my lifestyle. Due to a lot of softwares I run, I have to do some stuff, trade, do some programming on MetaTrader 4, do some stuff, create content for you guys, do some editing. So I need a computer which can at least undo a lot of tedious program softwares at the same time. So you can actually get a small PC at least from $30–50 on eBay. You can get that for trading, so you don't need to spend your resources much on getting very high spec configuration. But if you need it for additional purposes, you can as well get it on your personal computer. So right here we have the MetaTrader 5 being installed already and the 4 being installed already. So I'm gonna install the other software, that is the MetaTrader. This is it right here. Okay, we're gonna close this window. We don't need this window. We don't need to run this right here. So we're gonna go back to our previous window. So I have installed the MetaTrader 5 and 4 we downloaded from the official website of MetaTrader. So right now I need to install the MetaTrader we downloaded from our preferred choosing, from my preferred choosing brokerage company. So I'm gonna click right here, open, install this, and then at the same time click this, okay, yes, open. And please, when you are installing this app, you have to agree to the user agreement. That is the end user license agreement. You have to agree to this. You should have taken notice of this whenever you install a program or an application on your computer. Whenever you want to install it, you have to go through some agreement form which you have to click I accept, yes, no. That means you have to accept to this company's license agreement, all those stuff like that. So and just take your time to read through. Actually, it's not something very very tedious to read through. So right now I'm gonna click next, and then the next MetaTrader 4 I'm gonna install it at the same time, next. Remember, we have 4 programs, softwares being installed on our personal computer right now. Click next. This is done, installation. Okay, I'm gonna click install this at the same time. Okay, so we can see right now MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 MetaTrader are currently going through process of installation at the same time on my personal computer. So let's sit down and relax and see what actually happens on the next page. Remember, we have already installed the MetaTrader 5 and 4 we downloaded from the official website of metatrader.com. So together we have 4 MetaTrader on our personal computer. So which means you can run like a lot of trading accounts on your one single operating system, one single computer. But you have to make sure your computer can actually handle running multiple software programs, applications at the same time. So here is it. Actually, whenever you install this software in your personal computer, you're gonna be redirected to your node page, which is the MetaTrader official website. Actually, you don't need that. Just need to just get that cut off. So here is it right now. Under here are the 4 software right here. If you view right here on my screen right here at the taskbar right here, you can see right here, you can see it right here. Here is the 2 software we downloaded from the Hot Forest, and here is the suite software we downloaded from the MetaTrader official website. So we have right now 4 MetaTrader applications running on my personal computer. So what I'm gonna show you guys right now is I want to show you this system, how this system is really how the software is process of installation. It's very simple. Actually, you don't need no much time to get this being installed in your personal computer. And then this is the MT4 5 we downloaded from Hot4X. Here is it right here. You can see Hot4X MT5. This is it right here. And then this is the 4 we downloaded from Hot4X. You can see it right here. It says Hot4X MT4. You can see that. You can see it. This is it. I'm gonna minimize it so you guys can actually see what I'm trying to. Okay, this is it right here. You can see right here Hot4X MT5, Hot4X MT4. So the software, no MT4 4, they are almost the same thing. Almost the same thing. I release a video on the difference between the MT4 4 and the MT4 5. You can also check at the bottom of this video. I left a link right there where you can get access to watch this video as well, so you can get the difference between the MT4 4 and MT4 5. Why some prefer MT4 4 and MT4 5, but I'm a fan of MT4 4. So let's check on the MT4 5 and 4 we downloaded from the official website of MetaTrader. And here is it. This is MetaTrader, and then I'm gonna minimize this as well so we can actually see. Okay, this is MetaTrader. Actually, we didn't have no number at the end of the MetaTrader. So let's open the next one where we're gonna see. Okay, we can see on the next software right here. We can see it right here. This is it right here. Okay, this. Okay, this is it right here. We can see right here on the MetaTrader we downloaded from the official website of MetaTrader. We can see it is being tagged MetaTrader 5. Why the other MetaTrader is not being tagged MetaTrader 4, we can only see MetaTrader. In the video which I released on the difference between the 4 and 5, I gave no much details about this right there, or you can watch that video if you need to want the difference. Maybe there is difference between the MetaTrader 4 and 5 which I downloaded from the official website of MetaTrader. So guys, this is how to install the MetaTrader and the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 on your personal computer. It's so simple as ABC. All you just need is access to internet connection and then a computer system, and then you type the keyword MetaTrader, download on Google search engine, or you download from your preferred brokerage firm. And thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment, and then give a thumbs up for this video. Comment below so I can know how you guys feel about this video. And then if today is your first time watching this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day, every week, we do post educational content on Forex. I believe this is really gonna help you to fasten your journey to become a successful trader in the Forex market. It does not matter, maybe you trade Forex alone. You can maybe you trade cryptocurrency, stocks, energy, binary options, futures, treasury bill, bonds, whatever you trade. I believe this channel is really gonna help you, provided it's a market based on price speculation on the chart. And thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Peace.